Hi everyone, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Clear Cut Concepts. So already we have started reasoning series. This is topic 2, blood relation. In this video, we are planning to do 22 questions. More number of questions I selected in each series because each type of question included. No need to search anywhere. So every type of question is here only. Surely you can get the concept clear here. So we will start. So blood relation, first just take the screenshot of this page and then go through it once if you have any doubt means. Otherwise we will start the question directly. Suppose for example, mother's or father's father, grandfather, we know already. Just to read it out, what is we call brother's son, nephew, and then brother's daughter, niece, and then sister also, same. Sister's son, and then sister's daughter here, sister's son, nephew, and then niece, uncle or aunt's son, cousin, and then sister's husband, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, like that. Just once go through it and then start doing the questions. Yes. First question is given. Jas is son of Kismat, Bharat is the brother of Dharmesh, like that some information is given here. So if you want to recognize the information relation between the people, so first we use some symbol, common symbol. That is I am writing here. I am using square for male. Okay, and then circle for female for all the question. For any question, if I am relating to two people, if one of the person is female means I am circle the name. Husband and wife. Husband and wife. Double. This one represent, suppose I am writing here A, B. This represent, these two are couples, A and B, husband and wife. Here I am circling here. That means A is a female, B is a male. B is a male. That is a simple representation. Suppose brother and sister, cousin, at the time we are using single line, horizontal line. Brother or sister. For brother or sister, single line. Generation. Generation, we are always using the arrow mark. Suppose first generation, so some grandmother, grandfather, and then father, and then daughter. 3 generations are represented here. First one, second one, third one. These are the symbol representation. Okay. If it is clear, it will be easy for us. So understanding the relation for the given details. Okay. Come to the question. Jas is a son of Kismat. Okay. Jas is a son. So here I am writing Jas is a son. Therefore I am putting the square mark. Son of Kismat. So previous generation. So Kismat is here. Bharat is a brother of Dharmesh. And Garima is Dharmesh daughter. Okay. So follow also we have to check. Kismat is married to Dharmesh. Okay, these are couples. Kismat is married to Dharmesh. Okay. And then Bharat is a brother of Dharmesh. So Bharat is a brother. Bharat is a brother of Dharmesh and Garima is a daughter of Dharmesh daughter. Garima is a daughter. So we can't use the square. Daughter and so we use the circle. Who is here? Garima. Okay. And then married couple. Fatima is a maternal aunt of Jas. So aunt. So it is in the previous generation. We are somewhere here. Aunt. Okay. Fatima. Okay. These two are not given. Who is a boy, who is a mother, who is a father is not given. Kismat is a boy, Dharmish. Okay. Without knowing, don't put any gender box or circle. Okay. Leave it as it is, no problem. They won't ask about these things, I think. So this is a maternal auntie. Auntie, that is the previous one. Now come to the question, we can answer now. First one is, what is the relation between Bharat and Jas? Bharat and Jas. So they are parents brother. So uncle and nephew. So sister or brother's son, therefore nephew is a uncle. So our answer is uncle and nephew. Relation between Jas and B, uncle and nephew. Come to the next question. Some condition is given. So A plus B plus represent a married couple, plus 1 plus represent married couple, minus represent sister. First one is a sister of second one, asterisk represent brother, cross represent father. These are the symbol. So come to the question. So how to relate with the others? Already mentioned here, okay, these things we need to use. So K asterisk J, this one, okay, brother, K is the brother of J, so K is in the box, K is the brother of J, okay. J cross L, cross means father, so J is the father of L. And then L plus I, plus means married couple. So married couple, plus I, married couple. Star P, again I star P is a brother. I is a brother of P. So male means it should be female. Okay, these are the given condition. What is the question? How J is related to I? How J is related to I? J is a wife's father. Therefore, what is the relation between these two? Father-in-law. I's wife is L, L's father is J. Therefore, answer is father-in-law. Okay. Come to the next question. Same, we are using these four concepts. So T plus R. So T plus means a married couple. Okay. R star, S star means brother. So it is a male means it should be female. Yes. Okay. S plus U. Plus means married couple. S plus U. U cross I. Cross means father. Is a father means it should be a mother. Next generation. So I am putting here. U cross H. H means cross means father. Father of H. Now answer the question. How S related to T? What is the relation between S and T? Okay. These two are husband and wife. Okay. Husband and wife. How S related to T? So brothers wife. Brothers wife. So what we call sister-in-law. Brother's wife. S related to T. S is here, girl. Brother is R, brother's wife. Sister-in-law. Answer is sister-in-law. Come to the next question. So based on this equation, y plus z. Okay. So y married z. Z is a, what is a minus represent? So we will write it here. Plus represent married couple. Minus represent sister. Star represent brother. Cross represent father. Okay. Because we are scrolling down, I will see the previous page. Okay. Come to the question. Y plus Z. So married couple, these two. Minus sister. Sister of you. Sister means it is a male. Here it is a male, female, and then sister. Asterisk is brother. It is a brother. Brother of, yes, same generation. That's why I am writing in a horizontal line. Plus X. Plus means married couple. Double line X. Star R. So brother of R. X is a brother. Brother of R. So this is a male. What is the question? U related to X. U related to X. So U is a male. His wife is S. Sorry, it's a brother. No? Okay, single line. U is a brother of S. These two are married couple. So sister's husband. Sisters. U related to X. Sister, husband. Okay. What about E from X? What we call X? Brother-in-law. Call brother-in-law. And then next question. Question number 6. Ajit is pointed to Abhijit and said, I am the only son of one of the sons of his father. One of the sons of his father. Okay, Ajit. I am writing here Ajit. To Abhijit. Okay. I am the, Ajit pointed to Abhijit and said, Ajit, I am the only son of one of the sons of his father. So Abhijit's father. One of the sons of his father. Okay, here Abhijit. I am the only son of one of the sons of his father. So his father, Abhijit father. One of the sons of his father. Okay, sons. So one of the sons means he is one of the sons and then two more sons, for example. Okay, these are the sons of his father. One of the sons. So he is here Ajit. So Ajit is a, how Ajit related to Abhijit. How Ajit related to Abhijit. So it may be a father or uncle. Okay, Abhijit is a father or uncle. So this is not given. Therefore answer is none of the above. Next question. While looking for the photograph, Sangeeta came across a photo and pointed towards a boy. So Sangeeta, he is the only son of the only daughter of my grandfather. So my grandfather means one generation and then third generation. Here it is grandfather, Sangeeta's grandfather. He is the only son of the only daughter is Sangeeta's mother. He is the only son. How Sangeeta related to the boy? So sister. Okay, 3 generations are there. You have to draw the family tree and then you can find. Come to the next question. This is totally different. Study the information given below and answer the following. Okay. A family comprises 7 members, total 7 members. They are 2 couples. Okay, we have to make it into 2 couples. A, B, C, D, some members is given. Okay. C is the sister of B. So B is here. We don't know about B. C is the sister of B. Okay. And then any relation with the B? G is a mother of B. So mother means previous generation. G is the mother of B. D is the mother-in-law of G. D is the mother-in-law. So again a girl. So we can put some number. Mother-in-law. Not a mother. Therefore otherwise we can write it here mother-in-law. Okay. And then here it is given 2 couples are there. A is the father of F. So again I am writing here. A is the father. Father means square. A is the father of F. And E is the brother of F. E is the brother of F. E is the brother. Okay. And then F is a female. So 3 generation. Children are not given here. Any other relation given? No. So here it is given 2 couples. The first couples maybe here it is a male and then female. These 2 are one pair couple here. But here G is a girl. Therefore E should be here, this side. Okay. So this one cancel it. Okay. So here it is F. Because it is given 2 pairs. First generation, second generation, third generation. So here also first generation, second generation, not the third one is not given. Okay. F is a A is a father and then child and then this one. Okay. 2 pairs are given. Okay. So these 2 are married couple. So now we can give the answer. How G related to A? G related to A. How G related to A? These 2 are pairs. Okay, husband and wife. Is a mother-in-law. So for mother-in-law, G related to A. What is the position of G? Daughter-in-law. Okay. So girl, therefore it is a daughter-in-law. How is E related to C? E and C. These 2 are couples. Their children. Okay. Therefore father. E related to C. Position of E we have to write father. What is the relation between B and D? B and D. So B we couldn't find it's a male or female. Okay, so leave as it is. What are the options given? Brother of D, no. Question no. Either B is a grandson or granddaughter of D. Okay, option is. How F related to B? F related to B. Here it is F. F related to B. So parents, father's brother, uncle. F related to B. Uncle. So only thing is, everything is okay, it is in the linear line, but we have to match two pairs, two married couple. Okay, at the time we start from the this one. Okay, these two we need to match. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 12. A family comprises 6 people in the same flat. There are 2 couples. Okay, again 2 couples. So we have to match it. Okay. The engineer is the head of the family. So the engineer is female or male, we don't know. Only head of the family is given. So I am writing here engineer is the head of the family. Okay. Has 2 sons. Okay. 2 sons. Harish and Honey. Okay. Harish and Honey. Both are lawyers. Both are lawyers. Renu and her mother-in-law both are engineers. Already one name is here. So she is a mother-in-law. So Renu and her mother-in-law both are engineers. And then whose wife we have to decide. Next line it is given Harish's wife is a scientist. So Harish's wife is a scientist. So Renu is not a wife of Harish. Renu is a wife of Honey. Both are lawyers. So mother-in-law. It is given mother-in-law. Therefore it is a female. Okay. So these two clear now. And then her son is Lalit. Harish's son is Lalit. These are the detail given here. Okay. I hope it's clear. So first we don't know it is female or male. Here the sentence, from this sentence, mother-in-law both are engineers. Therefore we put a circle. Now answer the question. What is the profession of Harish's wife? Harish's wife. Here it is. It's a direct question. Scientist is given, no? Scientist. How is Lalit related to Renu? Lalit. So parents, brother, okay, and then children. So how we can relate? Let's scroll down a little bit. What are the options given here? So nephew, okay, sister or brother's son, nephew. Here it is a co-sister, no? So nephew. 14th one. What is the profession of Honey's wife? Lawyer or engineer? Engineer. Yeah. Which one is the correct? So the head of the family is female, correct. Renu is Honey's wife, correct. Hari's wife, Harish is the husband of engineer, no. Harish is the husband of scientist, no. So this one is wrong. Honey is married an engineer, correct. Lalit is Harish. So wrong, this is wrong. Come to the next question. Here it is given. A family is planning an international vacation. 6 members of the family go on the trip. Okay. 6 members are here. Any married couple is given? Okay. Nothing is given. A and C is a married couple. Okay. A, married and C. And they have a child B. Okay. B. C is not a mother of B. C is not a mother. So, must be a father. A is a mother. E is a brother of C. Okay, brother. E is a brother of C. Okay. F is a brother of B. F is a brother of B. And D is a daughter of A. D is a daughter of A. That means these two are children. These 3 are children for them, A and C. Okay, daughter of B. Now answer the question. Which of the given statement is incorrect? Which one is incorrect? E is a brother-in-law. Brother-in-law of A. Correct only. Husband and wife, brother-in-law. Okay, 16th question, you know. And then D is a sister of A. D is a sister of F. Okay, correct. F is a female. No, it is a male. Okay, this is incorrect. A is a female. Correct only. The answer is third one. Come to the next question. How D related to F? D related to F, sister. And then how E related to F? Previous generation uncle. Okay. Come to the next question. So in the family of 6 people, different profession. They are 2 married couple. Okay. The 6 people in the family is given. 3 profession are lawyer, teacher, salesman, doctor, engineer and accountant, but not in the same order. Okay, I am writing here. D is a salesman. D is a salesman. Okay, D is a salesman. Is married to one who is a teacher by profession. Okay, married couple, he married a teacher. Okay. Doctor and lawyer are married couples. Okay, doctor and lawyer are married couple. These two are married. Okay, 2 married couple with that. And then teacher is a female. Okay, teacher is a female. Therefore, D is a male. Okay. Teacher is a female and A's daughter-in-law is a lawyer. So teacher is a female. So we can take here it is A. Daughter-in-law is a lawyer. Okay. And next generation. Lawyer. F is the son of B. Brother of E. F is the, so she is a lawyer. F is a son of B. So separately we have written it here. F is a son of B. B, and then we will match it here later. And brother of E. Okay. Brother of E. E is an engineer and unmarried. Engineer and unmarried. Okay. C is the daughter-in-law of A. So already we have marked here A. Daughter-in-law is a lawyer. Now he mentioned this C. C is a daughter-in-law of A. And A is a grandmother of F. So next generation F. Now we can mark F is we can connect here F with E. E is an engineer and then unmarried. Here B left. F is a son of B. F is a son of B. So these two. F is a son. So here B. Doctor is B. Because total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members only. We can't add one more here. Okay. So everything we mentioned here. One more. E is an accountant and professor. F is the son of B and brother of E. F is the accountant in profession. Okay, accountant in profession. Okay. So these are the given details. So once again recall this one. Total 6 people in the family. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. The professions are given. Okay. The salesman D, married teacher, and then doctor and lawyer are couples. Teacher is a female and daughter-in-law is a lawyer. Therefore, daughter-in-law. Therefore, we mentioned circle here. And then here one more word is given. C is the daughter-in-law of A. So this is mentioned C. And then here their son is F. And then therefore it is a female means it must be male. So we put a box here. It must be B. Because every letter we assigned already. A, D, C, F, E. Only B left. That must be doctor. Doctor. Now answer the question. What is the profession person Profession of the person married to C. So doctor. The question will be very easy once we understand murder tree means. How is E related to A? E related to A. So E related to A. So E gender we don't know, male or female we don't know. Okay, so we can't give without instruction. So the answer is cannot determine. Next, which is the given statement is correct? B is a daughter. Okay. C is the mother of F. Once check the tree. C is the mother of F. Okay. D is a male character. All the statements are correct. Make a family tree by yourself and check the answer once again. Okay. Next, what is the profession of A? What is the profession of A? Just we scroll it and then I will show the answer. Teacher. What is the profession of A? Here. A is a teacher. Okay. Answer is a teacher. A is a teacher. So I hope all questions are clear. Even we need to remember some points. First, make sure not to decide the result without knowing the gender. This is must. Okay, we can't give it maybe a female or maybe a male like that. We can't give. Okay, so avoid this one first. You can also draw the family tree to get the answer easily. Third one, generation and relation names should be clearly we need to write while solving. So salesman, something it is given and just mention it. Once we mention this, it will easy for us find out the answer. So thank you all for watching my channel. Like, share and comment. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel, support my channel. Once again, thank you all and all the best for your exam.